How to fix Play Store, something went wrong on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store, something went wrong on Android phone. First then open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, click on it, and here you will find apps again, click on it, and then just type here Play Store and then click on it, and here we'll find it. Now just click force stop and then go to storage and click clear cache, and now just that's it, just go back and open it. It must be saved, fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.